Hey guys, Justin here from Simplified Investing. I wanted to put together a watch list for you guys tomorrow. Several members have sent me a message and requested this, and I feel like it's also helpful for those of you who aren't on the team to see what we are personally looking at and plays that we will be eyeing up, and ultimately making plays on your own by using these levels that we call out and using your own due diligence, before you enter. So basically, obviously we like to break down SPY first. Closing the day here, up 1.47%. We're getting this reversal here off of this 340 bottom. We can zoom in intraday here. Really what we're seeing is we're seeing this reversal after this morning sell-off right around 840. We get this push up here, confirming, finally breaking through this 303.70 level here on close, which has been the level, if you're part of our team, that we've mentioned several times before. Finally breaking through this and pushing up here after hours with some strength. This will be something to watch here on market open tomorrow. See if we can break through this 307.30 level here, or if we do in fact retest this 303.70 level and break, retest this low, or if we hold this and push up here. Again, we're still in this choppy channel here on SPY. There's no clear uptrend like we had here back on 514 or even back here on 4.6. Still very choppy, hard to tell here so far. Really, this coming week on close Thursday will give us a better direction. Either are we going to continue a reversal here, make higher highs, and break this lower lows trend here. You can see we still did have a lower low here today. Bearish sign still in the downtrend. We need to form a reversal here on a daily candlestick on SPY here for an uptrend on the market. Again, got rejected here at this 303.70 level and finally breaking through this on a strong close here. So the first play that we were watching is going to be TLT. Basically, TLT operates as an inverse here. Not really, I should say, an inverse of the market. It tracks basically the treasury yields, the 20-year treasury yields, and that is what this is tracking. So really what I'm seeing here, this key 164.68 bottom, we're pushing up here. I'm watching to see if this is either a slight correction here and hold at 164.66, or if it is indeed a reversal and test back down to 162.95, where we can make an intraday play here on TLT. This will be one I'm watching tomorrow. It does have some potential here. Ideally, break above. You can see this big consolidation here, trying to get some volume above this level, breaking it after hours. Watch a break here above this 165.45 level for a potential at 166.50. Again, very, very key levels here. I'm truly thinking that this is going to be a good play here if we can indeed hold this 164.66 bottom. If we do break below this, you can also play puts back down to this 163.11 area. Again, you can play this both sides. Don't just let it be one side and have one side mindset. Watch this break between 165.43, calls to the upside, or break below this 164.66 bottom, and you can play puts. The other one that I've been watching for intraday plays is going to be GLD. For those of you who don't know, the one really nice thing that I like about GLD is going to be its liquidity. When you're trading options, that's going to be a huge factor, is the liquidity that you're getting. GLD is one of the most liquid stocks to trade options on. It's another reason why I like it, and it's also its chart setting up really nice. So really what I'm seeing is you get this push up, cup formation reversal, bullish engulfing candle here. Seeing if we can get this correction here, which we did hold of this 166.42 bottom. I'm really thinking we can push up, bullish engulfing here, a bull flag right here, consolidation. I'd like to see more volume in the coming days and break through this 166.99 level here for a push up on GLD. This pattern is setting up really nice. You get this push up, retest, bull flag confirmation with volume compared to these two reversal or these two consolidation candles here. Bull flag trying to break out here. Watch this break of 166.99 for a push to highs or a retest of this 166.45 bottom. Hold tomorrow intraday, 2 play calls, break below. You guys can play puts to the downside. Again, I personally wait for 5-minute confirmation. I watch level 2 and volume on these moves. That's personally what I use for my indicator on this entry. The last one that I'm watching, and one that has obviously had a huge day today, and I'm glad some of you members were able to get in on this, was going to be Boeing. Boeing happened to be one yesterday too on the watch list that we mentioned for our live stream with members. Really what I'm seeing here is this 170.20 bottom holding nice. Look at this huge bullish candle here forming today on strength here, punching through this 160 or 188.95 level on strength here. You can see this push up here. Watching after hours currently, we really need to see a breakthrough of this 202.26 level for a run. Boeing is notorious for having higher IV. That is something to consider. Boeing is having very high IV right now, upwards of 100%. That is something to consider. Technical wise, Boeing looking extremely strong here. I want to see a retest of this 202 area, 202.45 to be exact. We push through this and push back towards 221 and 237. If we hit this, get rejected, and then retest 188. That will be a really big key indicator tomorrow. Do we retest this and push up? Do we push up right in here on pre-market up to this 203 level? Or do we reverse back down to 188, 189 level and break below that and head back down to this 173 level? Again, the reason for Boeing on this big move today is solely going to be from the news that the 737 MAX will be able to start their testing and training and things along that nature from the FAA. So that is the reason why Boeing is up here 14%. Watching after hours, we are down about 1% here, but I'm thinking if we can retest this bottom right here at 189, push up, retest, breakout of this cup formation here, we do have a potential for 202.43. Again, watch these key levels that I just mentioned. Boeing will be one that will be moving a lot faster, higher premiums, very high liquidity. You're seeing a lot of HFT transactions and also retail traders trading Boeing right now. So that is the reason for this big volume push here. It's due to the market trying to digest this message. So if you guys have any more questions or comments, please feel free to leave them down below. And if you get a chance to like and subscribe to our channel, it would be greatly appreciated, as well as checking out our team at simplifiedinvesting.site, where we do pre-market analysis on all this for members, send out alerts, have our course, and we also have live streams which members enjoy every Sunday, where we can break down plays for you before the week, answer any questions you may have, and really be there for you guys with whatever you may need along your trading journey. As always, I hope you guys have an amazing night and looking forward to trading with you all tomorrow. Thank you.